nervous. Ooh, this stuff thick. It's real thick. Purple, nice purple consistency. It's thick. And let's start from the roots down.
Here I come. Ready or not. Here I come. Ready or not. Ready or not. Ready or not. Ready or not. Ready or not.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Karen. I'm back with another banger. And today in this episode, I will be giving myself a purple skunk stripe with my beautiful black hair. You heard me. Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how this purple skunk stripe turn out, keep on watching. Now let's just get straight into it. I'm kind of shy about showing my natural hair because I don't know about it. It could be a good thing or a bad thing, but please don't judge me because this is a no judgment zone. And if you do, I'm coming for you. And that's that on that. I'm gonna take this off. What? So this is my beautiful black hair. And comment down below if y'all like it, or if y'all don't like it. I don't care because it's my beautiful black hair. Now look, I've been seeing this skunk stripe all over TikTok and YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and now your girl had to try it. And I have purple dye just laying around in my house, so that's what I'm gonna use. You gotta use what you got to get what you want, period. And we about to just get started, so stay tuned on game. So here go the purple skunk stripe ingredients. It's just purple wax / dye. It stays in your hair until you wash it. It's purple, cute. I got this from off of Mercari. It's an app almost like Amazon but better. You can get things on there for cheap. So if y'all wanna buy some of this colored wax, y'all know the link is gonna be in the description, and that's that on that, period. Alright y'all, I gotta pop my hair. What side should I do it on? Left or right, y'all? Left or right? Left or right? Left? Alright. Y'all want it on the left side? Bet. Okay, so don't judge my roots either. They a little crispy and they haven't been permed in a long time, but I got edges. That's all that matters. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do a little skunk stripe on the left side. I'm using the camera as my mirror, so if I look this way, right there, that means I'm using the camera as my mirror. If I look this way, right there, that means I'm using the camera as a camera. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Alright y'all, I got my part. I'm only going to do a little section because I'm actually nervous about this. I probably shouldn't be doing this. I don't know if it's just going to damage my hair, or I don't know if it's going to look cute. But we about to find out. Okay, so I'm not a hairstylist either, so this is not my field. I don't really know how to part. I don't know how to braid. Well, I do know how to braid. I know how to do it, but I don't do it on a regular. And I'm not a professional. Okay, nice clean part. Okay, y'all see my beady beads? This is all good. Cause I'm black. Detangle. Alright, now I'm gonna do this. Make sure I put it right. Alright, I'm messing up. Oh my gosh. And I usually don't do hair videos like this, but I said I'm gonna try it. If y'all want to see me do more hair videos, let me know in the comment section. Alright, I think that's a good enough part. Let me straighten this part right here. Woo. Hopefully I don't break the comb. Detangle, detangle, detangle. Ooh. Right, there we go. So this is the, oh, I can't even see the part. Oh, here you go. And let's get into that length.
We love you, Dior.
Who you know hair grow so fast? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, and then we're going to start using the purple wax for the purple skunk strunk. Oh, I keep on saying skunk strunk. It's skunk stripe. Maybe I should twist it up. Then boom, put this in a ponytail. Y'all see that pony? That's a ponytail. Hey yo, let me get a scorchy. Okay, get the wax. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves because I don't want to get my sleeves messed up. I got a long day ahead of me. Purple wax right here. I don't know what that say. If you know what this say, comment down below. I'm pretty sure it say purple wax in Chinese. Wow. Purple, y'all saw it before. And we about to take a dime size amount and start from the roots and go down. I'm nervous. It's real thick. Purple, nice purple consistency. And let's start from the roots down. Okay. It feels like grease, to be honest. It feels like some Blue Magic grease. Y'all see the purple? Ooh, it's messy. We got some more. Okay. I'm gonna just rub it in like grease.
We love you, Dior.
Ooh, it's so purple. It's cute. Okay, I probably should part my part a little better. But this is cute. Y'all see it? Purple skunk straight. I'm gonna do my little edges. Oh, this is real cute. Get the back part. Get into it. It is cute. This is really cute. If y'all think this cute, comment down below. If y'all think this is cute, comment down below. A purple skunk stripe. Turning out nice. Now I gotta let it sit for 5 minutes. And then we're gonna see how this purple dye / wax process in my hair. If it's gonna make it look like this part or what. And I need to take a thumbnail. Let me take a thumbnail. I think that's good. Yeah. I'm putting a ponytail like that. I'm gonna have to wipe this up right here. I don't know how I'm gonna clean that up and get a wet washcloth. But there we have it, y'all. I have my purple skunk stripe. It looks really cute. I'ma style it up. Put it in a sleek ponytail with a middle part, or a sleek ponytail with a little swoop right there. If y'all think I should record that video, let me know in the comment section. But this is my purple skunk stripe. If y'all like this, let me know. Smash that like button. Comment down below. Subscribe. Stay tuned to my next video. Until next time, keep God first and peace out. Bye.